If you have a broken shop broom that looks like this, don't throw it away. Did you know you can actually fix this by replacing the broken broom handle? In this video, I'm going to show you the steps needed to do that. Okay, so to get started on fixing this, I've got my drill here and a couple short screws. I'm using drywall screws, and what you will do is put these screws in where the old broom handle is broken off. So let's go ahead and start this. It's a little hard drilling. I'm just guessing how far it needs to go in. Take this other one and drill it in kind of side by side with the other, about like that. Okay, so now we've got it looking like this. Now that I've got a couple screws in there, I'm going to take some pliers, grab on to both of the screws and try to twist this old stub out. This is probably going to be the hardest part, but let's see if we can do it. All right, grabbing onto there, grabbing tight, and twist. And sure enough, here it comes. Okay, got the old one out, and now we can screw in a new broom handle. Okay, so now I've got the old broom and I have a new broom handle here, and you can pick this up about anywhere, a replacement handle. They're fairly inexpensive, and all you got to do is just simply screw it in. It's a Libman broom with a Libman handle. I don't know if other brands are compatible, but it's worth checking out. Okay, so what you do is just screw it in there as tight as you can. You could probably put a wrench on the end of that to get it super tight, but I'm just going to do it hand tight. Okay. All right, can't get it turned anymore. And that's it. That's all you got to do, and you're back in action. So, good as new. Like I said, don't throw out your old broom if it happens to break like that. Just get a new broom handle and follow the steps, and you'll be good to go.